Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna play the play challenge of the what did I say? Today we're gonna play to learn a calculator. 5 plus 5 equals 10, and then 8 plus 16, and let's try another number. 7 plus 4 equals 11. 11. This is the plus sign and this is the equal sign. So 15, but we're gonna this one. 0, 5 plus 8 plus. So I'm gonna say the food first. This is the water. This is the like the pizza. This is the cheese. This is banana. This is cake. This is the orange. This is the wool. This is the grapes. Clever berries. And look at this. This is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Instead of 10, we can make 10, obviously. So let's make it. 5 plus 5 equals 10. This is what you have to do. On the side, you have to say do this. So just the camera is so good. It looks like a TV, but the camera. Well, look at this. I could myself by accident. Dude, what did you say? Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Let's go. Bye, Squad.